Nobody can go backward and start a new beginning, but anyone can start today and make it a new ending. It's very hard to find positivity when you are stuck in the murky water of negative thinking. But trust me, it's gonna be very easy if you do watch this video till the end. You are gonna develop some positive habits which will definitely make you feel better. Yes, so today's video is basically on how to think positive and how to kick out negativity out of your lives. So this video will definitely help you out. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, there are 4 positivity habits which have always helped me to kick out those negative vibes which keeps on coming into our mind, right? Negativity is a part of life, you can say, but positive is more stronger than this so-called word negative. So here are the 4 positivity habits which I follow, and I recommend you people who always have those negative vibes can also follow this, and I'm damn sure that this will definitely help you out. Number 1, always ask yourself the right question. Yes guys, this is really very important to ask yourself the right question, which is the first step of thinking positive. A pessimist will always end up asking himself the question which is weird in the sense which is very negative. When adversities strike, a pessimist will always ask himself this negative question, that is, why did this happen to me? Why always bad things happen to me? And here, an optimist will always take the opportunity to open up his mind for a new viewpoint. Like, he will ask himself the question, what is the good in this situation? If this has happened to me, there is something good in this. What is it? He will try to inquire. Try to be an optimist and always try to find answers to your questions in a positive way. And if you do this, I guarantee you will feel obviously better. Tip number 2, practice gratitude. Yes. Be grateful of whatever you have. Like, I know this is COVID pandemic. It is very important to keep a check on what is going outside. Like starting from knowing the number of cases of COVID and the death rates. But always remember one thing. Don't feel like this will never end. And people nowadays, the problem is that people are just indulging themselves in the news, in Facebook and on TV, on other social media handles, that they are feeling heartbroken. They are feeling like nothing will get normal. And remember one thing for sure, every bad thing has an end. And this will definitely end someday. So wait for that someday. And always feel happy. When you practice gratitude, you will be able to focus on good things. Tip number 3, don't make a molehill into a mountain. Now you will be thinking, what does this mean? You know what? It's very easy to lose perspective at that time when you are so much stressed out and when you go so fast. So in this condition, you have very easy ways to tackle. And that is, always try to say the 3 words which I am saying you now. Stop, breathe, and refocus. The last but the easiest one, smile. Yes, this is the best thing that you can do to yourself. That is, smile. Never forget to smile in any situation. I would say smiling is a synonym of positivity. So if you smile, you will make yourself feel positive, and also you will make others feel positive. Before ending this video, I would like to share something. When you look to the sky, like normally when you stand and you sky gaze, just look into the sky and you will definitely find a proverbial silver lining in every cloud. And that's beautiful. So this is like something good in every bad thing. You need to focus on the good one. Like clouds, sometimes when the dark clouds come, it feels like it will rain heavily or it can cause damage. But in the same cloud, you are finding a silver lining, and that is something positive in it. So the last motivating tip is that try to find good in every bad. So guys, this was the end of today's video. I hope you liked it, and do follow all these tips. If you feel negative someday, just follow all these 4 tips. You will definitely feel motivated, you will definitely feel positive. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye.